So to access our TDSB's virtual library, what you'll want to do is go to tdsb.on.ca/library. That'll bring you to our virtual library page here. But before we do anything else, the most important thing is that we go and click on this orange button that says passwords and info. And that'll lead us to a page that tells us more about the different types of resources that we have in the virtual library. But also, if you know your password, your student number and your password, you're going to click on this and it'll open up a Google Docs file. And that Google Docs file will have a bunch of passwords and usernames that you can use to access all of these resources. So it'll look something like this. And if you have that highlighted part, it'll have a username, and below that, it'll have a password. So make sure you take note. And the first thing you'll want to do is open this up and click on the star here, or take this and drag this down right here so that you can make sure you have all of the passwords in an easy to access space. Okay, so now that I have that, if I go into the main section here where it says read, watch, and learn, it'll take me to a page with all of these different resources that we have. So just to walk us through a few of our favorite ones, what we can do is we can go to Tumble Books. Tumble Books has a lot of different read-alongs, ebooks, graphic novels, fiction, nonfiction texts that you can check out. Then we have Capstone, a lot of nonfiction as well as graphic novels and different things like that that you might be interested in. And then we have Destiny Discover, more chapter book and some audio books that you might want to look at. This is for more of our junior intermediate, but there are a lot of those other texts as well. Some of the old Forester reading texts are here as well. And if you go to Big Timber Media, you can find a number of texts that you can find in our regular library as well. So here's an example if you wanted to read more about Black History Month as well. Go. So with Pebble Go, you'll notice that the Pebble Go here is for primary, so you can access a number of different texts here. But if you go to Pebble Go Next, that is for your junior intermediate, and you can access a lot of our science content there as well.